Welcome back to LGS Cars, where power meets prestige and engineering meets emotion. Today we introduce you to a machine that doesn't just move you, it commands every inch of asphalt with elegance and raw fury. Meet the 2025 Audi S8, a flagship performance sedan that redefines what it means to travel fast, in style. Design, business suit with a beast beneath. At first glance, the 2025 Audi S8 is an executive's dream. Sleek, sculpted, and quietly aggressive. But make no mistake, this isn't your average luxury sedan. The single-frame grille is larger and bolder, flanked by digital OLED matrix headlights that change light patterns depending on your driving mode or mood. From the side, it's muscular yet refined, riding low on 21-inch alloy wheels with subtle chrome and black detailing that speak of sophistication rather than showmanship. The rear features a quad exhaust setup and LED taillights with animated sequences, a signature of Audi's futuristic design language. Performance, the executive jet with 4 rings. Beneath the calm exterior lies a storm. The 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine returns, producing 563 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, paired with an advanced 8-speed Tiptronic transmission and Quattro all-wheel drive. But in 2025, the story gets even more interesting. Audi has refined the powertrain with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, improving both acceleration and efficiency. The result? A blistering 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds, all while delivering smoother stop-start transitions and better fuel economy when cruising. Want control? The Audi Drive Select system lets you switch from comfort to dynamic to individual, transforming the S8's behavior with the tap of a screen. And thanks to dynamic all-wheel steering, the S8 feels agile in tight city turns, yet rock-solid at Autobahn speeds. Interior, the lounge meets the cockpit. Inside, the S8 is a sanctuary. Every surface is crafted with Valcona leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum accents. The seats are sculpted, ventilated, heated, and offer massage functions with customizable programs. Even the headliner is Alcantara. The dashboard is dominated by Audi's dual-screen MMI touch response system, a 10.1-inch upper display for infotainment, and an 8.6-inch lower screen for climate and vehicle controls. The Virtual Cockpit Plus delivers crisp, customizable digital gauges, including real-time performance stats. Passengers in the back? They're treated like royalty, with individual screens, climate zones, and reclining seats. Audi even offers an optional executive rear seat package, turning the back seat into a business-class throne. Tech and safety, predictive intelligence on every drive. This isn't just a fast car, it's a smart one. The 2025 S8 is equipped with a full suite of cutting-edge driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise assist with lane-centering predictive active suspension that reads the road and adjusts ride height instantly, night vision assistant to detect pedestrians and animals in darkness, 360-degree cameras and automatic parking, pre-sense 360-degree collision anticipation. All this is tied together with AI-enhanced navigation, natural voice control, Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound, and over-the-air updates to keep your S8 constantly evolving. The verdict: power in a tailored suit. The 2025 Audi S8 isn't here to shout. It's here to prove that true luxury isn't about being loud. It's about being felt. It's the car for those who know power but don't need to flaunt it. For those who crave speed but refuse to sacrifice refinement. This is the super sedan for the elite, not just because of what it does, but how effortlessly it does it. What do you think? Is the Audi S8 2025 the most complete luxury performance sedan on the planet? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to LGS Cars for more elite automotive content that drives your passion.